Riding my car, ain't stunting. Window down and I'm sliding. I got a pocket full of money, but niggas be thinking I'm childish. I been doing this on my own. What make you think that you can stop me? Nope. I just been getting that bag. That bag been coming too empty. Nigga, it done got heavy. Thought I had me a Simmons. Nigga making all they moves. Might as well be the Senate. Nigga, I'm like a major because I got all the trumpets.
Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video. Cari cool. I wasn't gonna turn the camera on, but I seen 12 right here, so I was like, why not? I can make a thumbnail or something. But yeah, man, starting off the POV, man, with 12 in a car. I guess it's a wreck. I can't really, I don't got the zoom. I can zoom all the way. But as y'all can see, it's like, I guess a wreck or something. Tow truck. You know what I'm saying? Another 12 right there. Just a lot going on. But hey, man, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you're new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. You don't want no smoke. Let me switch the angle, man. But yeah, man. Y'all can see. But yeah, I had to switch the angle because the wide angle wasn't cutting on for some reason. But yeah, man, I know it's a little dark in here. Give y'all a little light, man. But yeah, I wasn't gonna pick up the camera, but y'all, as y'all know, man, it's VLOGMAS, you know what I'm saying? So if you're new, or if you're anybody, hit the like button, man. First off, leave a comment, man, on what kind of videos you would like to see during VLOGMAS. I'm recording every day, so 9 times out of 10, your idea will get put into consideration, you know what I'm saying, depending on if it's doable, you know what I'm saying? So make real, you know what I'm saying, stuff that y'all would really like to see, you know what I'm saying? So y'all do that for me. I think I should record with the flash on. I don't know. Would that be irritating if I did that? I don't know, Parker, but I might do it. But yeah, man, if you're new, man, hit that subscribe button, man. On the road to 10K, get your boy to 10K the quick way, you know what I'm saying? 10K the quick way. But yeah, man, you know, we're doing a little night cruise, man. I'm gonna go put some gas in my baby. I don't know what that was. I'm gonna put some gas in my baby so I can see we don't got no gas, man. 45 miles each in a catless sketch. It's not a good. I rolled them back one of the other ones I really like. Okay. We're in a little light custom mode though, by the way. My bad. We gotta have the screen on. I like a little custom mode, man. As y'all can see. That ain't 12 beside me. I just realized that. That's the show is Tahoe. I ain't even see what kind of Tahoe it was. But it looked like a CV. I think it's a civilian. Yeah, it's a civilian. Better be a civilian, nigga. Talking about nigga. We in the Scat. We in Big Lil. I gotta let y'all hear that. Gotta let y'all hear that car go. Turn me up a little bit, man. I know it's dark, man. It's only 7 o'clock. It's only 7 o'clock and it's dark as hell. Nice little shifts, man. It's therapeutic for me, man. No music. I wasn't listening to music anyway, so I might as well record. Because I literally was just having the window down, man, enjoying this nice air. You know what I'm saying? There's a little cut up in traffic, man. Just a little bit. Tahoe trying to race me. And that Tahoe trying to race me, bro. It keeps speeding up. Look. Yeah, you know, I got that good tint, but y'all see it. That good 35% tint. It looks so dark at night. Just like a little pool, man. Ain't going too crazy, man. We're gonna go to the gas station. Put some gas in old Liv. I don't know what I'm gonna call this POV. Maybe, you know what I'm saying, gas station POV. That's really why I got out the house. To put gas in it. You know what I'm saying? 'Cause we gotta get these videos going. Gotta get these videos going, man. Y'all hear the pop though? Why is the car not left yet? Oh, they just sitting there, bro. The light been green. Come on, man. You tripping. Pro driver coming through. You know what I'm saying? Oh my lord. Let me stop. I don't know who this is behind me. I don't like that. I don't like how you pulling up, cuz. What was that? Car group. In the review though. There's a regular truck. You don't mind not being it though. At least I know this Silverado is, I mean this Tahoe is not a what you call it? 12. Oh, it's a civilian. Y'all hear that? I mean, y'all really hear that? I be forgetting to hold y'all like this, bro. Y'all gotta remind me. You gotta remind me, car group. Nice little pool, man. Whoa, boy, CarMax is empty. Boy, what the happened, boy? They might have Hellcats only. I think they might have Hellcat only, but they ain't got nothing. They just had like 100 cars the other day. That's crazy. I don't like how this truck behind me acting like that now. Don't make me cut up on you now. Real talk now. I don't like that. You already know how these folks get down now. I ain't trying to speed. I'm just making noise for my peeps. Y'all hear that echo though? Like that's crazy. I never hear a little wind. But yeah, man. I'm driving my light on just for y'all, man. I can hear that, John. Oh my goodness. Do y'all hear that, bro? Like the echo is crazy. The echo go crazy. What's up, the Ram truck? Try to follow me, Negro. Or I get on your ass, man. Why did I even go right? I never go this way. I'm messing up. Messing around this dumbass truck. I see a Challenger. It look like a Scat. Got the hood. Let's give him a pull, car group. You don't want nothing. Yeah, this is a Scat. Quick little something. Can y'all go? Like damn. Yeah, man, this little man, come on, man. Why they driving so slow, bro? You're not getting over. Should have been got over. But yeah, man. Nice little VLOGMAS. Oh yeah, this is with a street echo. Man, y'all want me to start modding Olivia, man? Let me know, man. I really been thinking about it. I'm talking about like mod for real, like real deal, Holyfield. We finna be fast. Might need a new wheel, you know what I'm saying? Like that kind of fast. You know what I'm saying? Slowly now. We gotta crawl before we, you know what I'm saying? Before we walk. We gotta crawl before we walk. We gotta walk before we run. Car crew. Let me chill out. Mama's at the gas station and I hear them peeps coming. Well, yeah, man. Y'all let me know. Comment down below right now, man, if I should mod Olivia. You know what I'm saying? I'm talking about performance mods, by the way. Oh my lord. Performance mod, by the way, you know what I'm saying? She already got the exhaust set up, down, ready. All I gotta do, you know what I'm saying? PCM, swap, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna go with headers, but unless I have to, you know what I'm saying? real power, man, real deal. I ain't gonna tell y'all too much, cause it's gonna be a surprise, you know what I'm saying, if we really get there. If y'all like these videos, man, and get these videos in the algorithm, bro, we can buy so much stuff so fast, Cari. I'm telling you, bro, all the revenue I make from YouTube is going back to my channel, bro. That's how you grow as a business when you first start. You know what I'm saying? Satisfaction and all that later. Yeah, I'm having fun, you know what I'm saying? Making the, you know what I'm saying, putting stuff on the car with that, but at the same time, bro, I'm spending that money just for that. You know what I'm saying? Nothing like more, nothing less. It ain't really going to me. It is, but it ain't. It's for y'all, man. I'm telling you, when I get other stuff in order, it'd be way different. Don't give me y'all real deal, like honest truth right now. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got to tell y'all all this. I'm just being real right now. You know what I'm saying? I always be real with y'all, Cari group. Hold on, let me back up though. I gotta focus. I do not got time for nothing. But yeah, man. We have made it to the gas station. As you can see, the Quick Trip, the famous word Quick Trip, man. But ooh, look how cheap. I gotta show y'all how cheap gas is. I ain't gonna even tell y'all. Y'all guess right now how cheap gas is right now for premium. Just guess right now. That's all I'm gonna tell you. All I'm gonna say is unleaded is in the $2 range. That's all I'm gonna say. Y'all let me know what y'all think the gas price is for premium right now before I show y'all. That junk crazy. And I'm gonna stop recording. I need to use my phone to pay. You know what I'm saying? The camera cut out when I opened the door. I had the phone on charger. Everything was going so smooth. I was gonna keep it all in one clip, but hey, man, y'all can see that y'all never seen these. My lights never be on. I never had my interior light on. They always off. But yeah, man, like I was saying, oh yeah, by the way, man, we got some new wheels on Olivia. If y'all ain't watched the last video, I just dropped today. You know what I'm saying? I dropped the video today. But as y'all know, it's vlogging. But y'all let me know what y'all think about the Hellcat. The Hellcat rip, man. And let me know what y'all think. This me showing y'all this POV style. What y'all think, man? About the Hellcat rip. This is your eyes, you know what I'm saying? If you walking up on it in real life. Looking at, I gotta get the center cap, so don't worry, I'm getting the SRT center caps, you know what I'm saying? But if all my new people that ain't seen her, man, you know what I'm saying? Gotta get bigger tires, by the way, all that coming soon. That's why I keep telling y'all, like the video, get the video out there and get views, man. You know what I'm saying? All that revenue going right back to the channel, we're gonna go crazy. You know what I'm saying? And then when we just get crazy and crazy, man, new rap coming soon, you know what I'm saying? I rock with this though, you know what I'm saying? For all y'all that don't know, this is carbon fiber, you can feel it. It's a vibrant, like 3D carbon fiber with the hints of yellow, you know what I'm saying? That match the beat. I made that yellow myself. You can't buy that. We had to mix it. The dude knew how to mix it with like different kind of yellow. It was crazy. So shout out to him, man. But as y'all can see, the carbon fiber is crazy. With the Hellcat rip, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Comment down below what y'all think about the Hellcat rip, man. There you go. Bigger tires though. Just imagine with, you know what I'm saying, bigger tires. Those 275, but they low profile. They 35. I need 275, 45. I got some of those, but they at the house. You know what I'm saying? So y'all just let me know if y'all like it or not. Y'all rocking with it. It's growing on me now. I'm rocking with it. First I was kind of whatever, but I like the 5 sport. I always did. It just my tires, cause the tires bruh had, they look way better. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I gotta upgrade the tires. So they're gonna be coming real soon, probably this month. You know what I'm saying? So y'all just keep running the videos up, man. But nevertheless, man, y'all can see we're at the famous Quick Trip. I'm gonna give me some gas, man. Oh, I gotta show y'all the price. I gotta show y'all the price, but y'all guess what the price is for the gas. Let me show y'all that before I forget. But look at Olivia, man. She looks so good. But this is what the price was. $317. Look at that. But 93, $317. That's crazy. But yeah, man. That's gonna probably be a wrap for the video, man. I know it's dark, it's a turn away, right? But yeah, man. Y'all comment down below what y'all think about Olivia. Also, what kind of videos y'all like to see for Vlogmas, and what else? I'm trying to think, but y'all just comment, man. Let me know what y'all want to see, man. Y'all want to see the new mods and all stuff like that. Y'all gotta like the video, man. Run it up. I'm telling you, bro. We're gonna go right to it. We can do so much stuff. Like, I'm talking about like big with the mod. I'm talking about like real, like fast, like pushing 600 type fast. You know what I'm saying? So y'all just let me know. But that gonna be a wrap for the video, man. Like how I said at the end of my video, I'm gonna keep it short and sweet for now, man. It's better, you know what I'm saying, outro. But anything you thinking about doing, man, keep your mind to it, you know what I'm saying? Just stay sturdy, trust the process, don't quit. You can't, you know what I'm saying? You'll make it if you don't quit, you're gonna learn, bro. You keep practicing. Practice made perfect, but you gotta have perfect practice. Is that a trickle? You gotta have perfect practice made perfect, you know what I'm saying? Basically. I keep turning my phone so I can see if it's still recording. But yeah, man, so just trust the process, stay down, stay humble, pray, man, build a relationship with God, man, so he can give you that strength to keep going. I promise you, bro, that's something. I don't want to quit so many times, Cari. I got a video on my channel where it says should I quit. I really thought about it. But like, it just wasn't, like, man, I'm doing all this, spending my own money, you know what I'm saying, in a way, even though it's still all a part of the process, but at the time, it's just like, dang, like, you know what I'm saying? I'm putting in video 3, 4, 5, 6 videos a week, bro, literally. And I ain't really, you know what I'm saying? I'm getting a little progress, but it ain't jumping like how it would for the work ethic. That's what I'm saying. So you gotta just understand that work ethic, man. You gotta just really grind and just trust the process. For all my up and coming YouTubers out there, bro, like I never thought I would even be at 8K, like right now, since when I really took it serious. You know what I'm saying? So that's just crazy. That's a blessing. But y'all boys just stay up, man. Keep your head up, stay blessed. All my religious folk, man, I know what to do. Keep a relationship with them. Talk to them, man, every day. And try to, what's the word? Try to follow those guidelines, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't like to say guidelines, but like just the lifestyle for that. Y'all know what I'm trying to say, like Christ lifestyle, you know what I'm saying? So I know everybody ain't perfect, but you still gotta know where your heart is. You gotta have a good heart. You know what I'm saying? So that truck look crazy. But yeah, man, like I also said at the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.